Good day, guys. I'm in Bunkers Harbor, Gouldsboro, Maine. Just wanted to show you some of the conditions from this storm, guys. This is unbelievable. The spray in the water, the wind. It's unbelievable here. These conditions are something else. Look at that go. Unbelievable here, guys. Look at that. Unreal. Them waves out there pounding those ledges are something else, guys. Again, I'm in Bunkers Harbor, Gouldsboro, Maine. That is just something else. The wind going right there. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Almost had to stand up. Look at that go. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you guys all have a great day.